Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve a set based on bar graph. Before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us. Our Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for the video. So the question says that the total cost of the company in any year comprises three different costs: raw material, utility, and salary. That means the total cost is composed of raw material plus utility plus salary. The graph below presents the percentage change relative to previous year for each of the three different costs from 2011 to 2014. So the graph says, let's say in 2011 the cost of raw material was 10x. So in let the cost of the raw material be 10x. So in 2011 it is going to get increased by 13%. Similarly in 2012, after a 13% rise, that is after 1.13 into 1.13, it will go decrease, it will decrease by 4%, that is it will be multiplied by 0.96. So this is how you are going to read the graph. Okay, similarly for utility and similar for salary. So this is again a very easy set, and what you have to do is you just have to find out different values. Acha, what we have been given is that in 2010 the raw material, utility cost and salary accounted for 50, 20 and 30% of the total cost. Because we know that the total cost is composed of only these three materials, that means we can take the total cost as 100x. And if the total cost is 100x, we can say that raw material is 50x, utility is 20x, and salary is 30x. Now we can note down the changes in all these three in various years. Okay, so let's make a table. So a table would look like cost, that is of raw material or whatever it is. So raw material, utility, and salary. And here we will write a year for 2011, 2012, 2013 and 2014. Also we will need total, so I am also writing the total value. Okay, so this is what we have. Now let's see what we have to do. We just have to calculate the values. Okay, as I have told you, as you can see from the graph, that raw material is going to increase by 13% in 2011, and it was 50x in 2010. So 50x into 1.13 would give me a value of 56 point, let's say it will be 56.6 56.5x. Okay, after that in 2012 it is decreasing by 4%, that means it will be multiplied by 0.96. So the answer will be 54.2x in 2012, the value will be. Similarly in 2013 it is increasing by, let's see, in 2013 it is increasing by 8%. Okay, so 8% increase would give me 58.6x. Sorry guys, 58.6x. And in 2014 increased by, let's say, 10% is there. So what we will do, we'll multiply it with 1.1 and we will get 64.4x. Okay, so in this way only you can calculate it for utility and salary. For example, in utility we know it is 20x in 2010. In 2011 it is increasing by 9%, that means 20 into 1.09 we will get 21.8. And similarly you will do for every other. So I directly now I'll write the calculation for other values. You can solve it on your own, because these are just basic calculation. I have told you the way how to do it. Okay, so you will get 22.2x here and you will get 23.3x here. Okay, this will be 30.9x, this will be 34.3x, this will be 30.2x, and this will be 32x. Okay, after this we know that the total value is composed of only these three things, and we know the value of these three things in different years, so we can calculate the total value. So the total value will come out to be 109.2x, 112.9x, 111x, and 119.7x. Now we have every value. Now we just have to solve the questions. Okay, so the question one says the total cost of the company was highest in which of the following years. So we know, we can see that the total cost was highest 2014. So the answer for this question would be 2014. That will be your final answer. Okay, let's move towards the second question. The second question says that the percentage increase or decrease in utility cost from 2012 to 2014 was. The utility cost in 2014 was 23.3. Okay, so 23.3. From this we will subtract 2012, that is 24.4, and in division we will take 2012 24.4, because the formula for percentage increase or decrease is final minus initial divided by initial. So this will give me sorry, and into 100 is what you have to do for percentage. So this would give me a negative of 4.85, sorry, 4.45 percent. Okay, this will be your answer. And you can see negative sign because see it is going to it is decreasing from 2012 to 2014, so there is a negative decrease. Okay, so negative percentage value is what we get here. Okay, now let's come to question 3. So in 2014 the raw material cost as a percentage of total cost, again a very simple question. Raw material cost is 64.4, so write it in numerator. Then total cost is 119.17, and x is here, x is here. Here also I did not write x because see there will be one x in the numerator, one x in the denominator. They will cancel themselves. Here also they will cancel themselves, and you have to multiply it by 100. What will you get is 53.8%. So as you can see, this was a very easy set based on bar graph. So these type of sets also you can expect in CAT because one or two sets are very easy ones. So I hope you have understood it well. Thanks for watching the video, guys.